In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track time on tasks in Monday.com. Start by going to Monday.com and logging into your account. Once you're in, head to the left sidebar and click into the workspace where your board lives. From there, open the board you want to use. If you do not already have one set up, you can create a new board and use that instead. The key is to get into the board where your tasks are listed, because that is where time tracking happens. At the top of the board, click the plus Add Column option. This opens the column center, where you can add extra tools to your board. Look for the time tracking column, select it, and then click Add to Board. Once this column is added, each task in your board can now track how long you spend working on it. Next, open a task, also called an item, inside the board. In the time tracking column for that task, click the play button to start the timer. As soon as you click it, Monday.com begins tracking time for that specific task. You can now work on the task as usual while the timer runs in the background. When you're done, go back to that same time tracking column and click the stop button. That saves the tracked session to the item. If you want to review or change what was recorded, click directly on the time entry in the time tracking column. This opens a time log where you can manually edit the time if needed. This is useful if you forgot to stop the timer, start it late, or need to correct the duration. You can also add notes to the time entry, which is helpful for keeping context about what was done during that work session. Repeat this same process for each task you want to track. Start the timer when you begin, stop it when you finish, and update the entry if anything needs adjusting. Over time, this gives you a much clearer picture of how long different tasks actually take. To fine-tune how the feature works, click the three-dot menu in the time tracking column header, then choose Column Settings. This is where you can adjust available options related to time tracking and make sure the column fits your workflow. You will also notice that Monday.com automatically calculates the total track time for each task right inside the column, so you can quickly review how much time has been logged without doing the math yourself. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. That is all it takes to track time on tasks in Monday.com. Once the time tracking column is in place, the process becomes very simple, and it can make project management, productivity reviews, and workload planning much easier. Congratulations, you are now ready to track time effectively.